I just sent this portable oral irrigator to check out for you, so let's open it up and check it out. Here is the body of it. It's a great size. A charging cord, a tongue cleaner nozzle. This one's for braces, and then 2 other nozzles. This one's like flexible silicone, and then this one is a solid nozzle. Most people are gonna be using the standard nozzle, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that guy on. Super easy to put on, you just push it on, and then when you wanna take it off, you push this button here, and it comes right off. It has 5 modes that you change with this mode button here. It has child, pulse, soft, normal, and strong. Then to turn it off, you just push the power button. This oral irrigator has super great water pressure. It's 50 to 150 PSI. It also pulses at a rate of 1400 to 1800 pulses per minute. To fill this up, we're just gonna open the back here and fill this tank up. The tank holds 300 mils of water, which is double the capacity of the older model of this one. And on the back, it has the little charger port there as well. This is also super easy to clean. If you wanna clean this, you just rotate this off, and it has a wide mouth nozzle that's gonna fit your bottle cleaner right in there. Then when you're ready to put it back together, you just slide that in and rotate it closed. All right, so I'm gonna fill this water, and then we're gonna try out each mode. All right, so we have the water in there. We're gonna try child first. All right, so here is child mode. That shot all the way across the room. Now we're gonna try pulse. And soft. Normal. And strong. This is gonna splatter water all over me. I've tried out a lot of these portable oral irrigators, water flosser machines, and I really like this one. I love how easy it is to clean. I love that it comes with a child mode. I haven't seen that on one before, so that's awesome because my kiddos can use this too. But what I also love about this is it comes with a 3-year lifespan guarantee, so this should last you 3 years. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.